How to fix Riot Client no internet found. So if your Riot Client shows no internet found even though you're online, the most effective solutions are to flush or reset DNS, check VPN or firewall settings, and clear Riot Client cache. So first, restart your PC. Temporary bugs often clear with a reboot. So to do that, go ahead and click on the Windows Start menu and then select this Windows icon from here and click on Restart. Now, after that, test your internet connection. So, open a browser to confirm that you are online and then check Riot servers. Sometimes the issue is on Riot's end. Second thing you can do is to flush and reset DNS. So, to do that, go ahead and open the command prompt on your device and then make sure to open it as an administrator. So to do that, go ahead and search for CMD in here and then select run as administrator and then confirm on this pop-up and then in here enter ipconfig slash flush DNS. Hit on enter and then after that enter ipconfig slash release and then after that enter ipconfig slash renew. So ipconfig slash renew. And then after that, go ahead and enter netsh winsock reset. So this clears corrupted DNS cache and resets the network sockets. Third is to change your DNS settings. So to do that, go ahead and open your network settings by opening your settings. So click on WinI. And then in here, head over into the network and internet. And then in here, go ahead and look for that specific connection where you want to change your DNS settings to. So for example, you're connected to the internet through Wi-Fi. You can simply select Wi-Fi and then in here select the Wi-Fi network where you're currently connected to. And then in here, simply click on this edit button beside DNS server assignment and then set this to manual and then make sure to enable IPv4 and enter your preferred DNS as 8.8.8 and then your alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4. A stable DNS often fixes Riot Client's connectivity issues. Now, if you're using a VPN or proxy, you can go ahead and disable that VPN or proxy since Riot Client may block connections if you're using VPN or proxy. And that is how you can basically fix Riot Client no internet found.